morning guys, and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some items that I was able to find at the outlets. I went to 2 outlet shops. I went to Coach and I went to Michael Kors, and I'd like to share with you some of the small leather goods and jewelry that I was able to find. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in, keep watching. Alright, so the first store that I was able to go to was Michael Kors. Now, I went to a couple of other outlets, and really what I've been looking for is a great crossbody bag. I wanted a crossbody bag with a little bit of gold on it. I wanted it to be small, and I wanted it to look kind of classy. But still, I always have in my mind that a crossover bag is gonna like casual up my outfits, so I usually don't even use them. I usually stick with clutches, or I'll stick with, you know, a wristlet, or just like a shoulder bag or something like that that's kind of high up, but never like a crossover bag, because I felt like it just made my outfits too casual. Or if I had a dress on, I felt like that's not a good look because it just kind of ruins the line of the dress, and you want the dress and the line and the fittedness of it to really be kind of the focus, and not this bag crossed over your chest or hanging down, you know, long. So I'm now getting into crossover bags. I'm seeing that they're doing them a lot classier, a lot cuter. They are making some of my work outfits, you know, look good, etc. So I thought, as I sampled a few, maybe I should try to purchase one. So I got one at Michael Kors. This is the bag. I love it. It's a crossover bag with a little bit of gold on the ends here. And then it's kind of a thin strap. So that's really what I was looking for, was something that was small. And I didn't want it to be too wide because I feel like it sits like too far from the body and it's just not sleek enough. So I felt like this one was great. I'm not a big fan of logos on the top, but I feel like it's subtle enough that I can deal with that. The strap is adjustable, and that was a big thing for me to have a long adjustable strap because I want to have it at different lengths. I think different body shapes, different outfits cause for the crossbody to either be higher up on the body or to be lower on the body. It just looks a little bit more stylish if you adjust the height of the bag. I think it's a great find. The next store that I was able to go to was Coach. And so since I had my crossbody bag, I was like, you know what? It's so small and thin, which is what I was looking for, but I need a wallet that's pretty small and skinny, something I can just put my credit cards in, a little bit of cash, and kind of zip it up, and it be something easy breezy, and it won't like change the structure of my bag. So I got a wallet from Coach, and then I found some jewelry. Let's take a look. I went for the Coach wallet, and this little wallet kind of zips all the way around. And what I like about that is the fact when it opens up, you know, you can put your cards in, you can put your cash in. It even has like a little zipper at the top for you to put your coins in. But the neat thing is this main zipper that zips it up, you can like overstuff this. So if your crossbody bag or whatever bag you're putting it into allows for a little bit wider wallet, you can stuff this wallet enough that you can zip it shut. It also has a back flap in the back, and it was a really great find. I think it's going to be sleek enough, thin enough, and then it can even grow a little bit thicker for some of your bigger bags. So this was the Coach wallet that I got. It's kind of a pebbled leather, and I really like pebbled leather because it just prevents all the scratches and everything from showing up or happening. So that's my find. I did mention jewelry, and so I got a couple of pieces. This first piece is a Coach flower ring. I love this ring. I think it's so pretty. I wanted a statement ring, something that, you know, if I had all black on or if I had purple or whatever, something where I could put a little pop of color on my hand to just like make a little statement, a little pop of color for some of my monochromatic outfits. And I know I've talked about that before on my Instagram, probably on this channel as well. If you want to have a classy look, if you want to have a look that's put together and easy to put together in the morning, monochromatic is the way to go. And if you can have a little pop of color with your jewelry, that helps as well. So I think this is going to be a wonderful addition. I think it's great for fall. It's great for spring, any season. And my last piece of jewelry from Coach. I just love the outlets. I just can find the best things, good prices. I like labels. I know it's not the Coach regular store, but it is their outlet. It is their label, and I can get a really good deal. And this girl loves a deal. So I bought these Coach rings. I love these rings. I needed some rings. I like stackables, first of all, so that's why I love them so much, because they're stackable rings. I know they're hard to see. I'll probably pop a picture right here so you guys can get a closer look. But I've got some gold stackable rings. They have Coach written kind of around one of them in the middle, and they're just circular. And they are different kinds of, you know, designs. But I like the stackable rings. I needed a good ring to put on my right hand because I already have like my wedding band on my left. But my right hand, I couldn't find like a good stackable ring. And I wanted it to be like Coach, or I wanted it to be, you know, some other designer. And so I was happy to find these. And these are going to be great for the fall because stackable rings, you can interchange them. I have others I can interchange them with, other color stones, etc. So this is going to add a lot of good pop of color to my outfits because I'm just going to change them out constantly. So having that gold foundation for my stackables is a good find for me. Well, that would wrap up the items that I was able to find on my mini haul. I will link down below where I got them. Just look up your closest Coach outlet, look up your closest Michael Kors outlet online, and see if you can find the same items in an outlet near you. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked my mini haul. If you did, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time.